How to turn off Seen in iPhone iMessage. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off Seen on iPhone so other people can't see when you've read their iMessages. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps. Now, either scroll until you find Messages or use the search bar at the top to search for it faster. Once you find Messages, tap on it. Inside here, you'll see a bunch of settings related to iMessage and texting. The option we're looking for is called Send Read Receipts. If this setting is turned on, people can see when you've opened and read their messages. So simply tap the toggle to turn it off. Once disabled, nobody will be able to see the read or seen status when you open their iMessages. But there is one important thing you should know. This works both ways. That means once you turn off read receipts, you also won't be able to see when other people have read your messages either. And that's basically it. Your iMessage read receipts are now turned off. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what tutorial you want to see next.